Hi guys, my name is Belinda Matwali. I am a meditation teacher, and in this video I want to talk about energy with you because we are way more than physical beings. We are spiritual and energetic beings, and I find so many of my students coming to me really have an issue with energy, and energy of course is the foundation of life. It's the foundation of meditation, but it's the foundation of so many things that we do. And I think a lot of us are really conscious now about our physical health and like having lots of green smoothies and salads and really nourishing food, even a bit more aware of our mental health, I guess, and like having like positive thoughts and checking in. But our energetic bodies, I still think we really largely neglect. So our energetic body has its whole system inside itself as well. It has little channels called meridians which help to bring energy around to different parts of your body. Now I have a free mini course called Energy Now, and in this I share 5 really cool 10-minute audios which are all about bringing more energy back to you, but also one of them is how to open up your main energy channels so energy can flow more freely throughout you and be distributed between your body. So I often say when people say, oh, I really need more energy, I mean, that's such a common phrase, isn't it? And the fact is that we all have enough energy. It's just that we are not using it in the most efficient way. We're often leaking energy out, we're using a lot of energy in our thoughts, or our energetic centers inside us are blocked. And so one of the practices in there is about moving energy through your main meridian channel so that you're opening it up and actually distributing energy throughout your body, which makes a massive difference to how you feel. The more energy we have, the more we can go into meditation, just the more alive we feel, the more enthusiastic we feel about life. So if you would like to get these 5 free audios, they're only 10 minutes long each, but super effective, you just need to sign up to my website, belindamatwali.com. I'll put all the information below, and if you like this video, give it a like, and if you think it would be beneficial to share with a friend, please do so. Help enlighten them how having more energy in their life through doing these practices is going to make a huge difference to their quality of life. And if you like this video, you can also subscribe to get more videos about energy, meditation, joy, sound, ecstasy, and all the things that make being a human being really good and fun. Thanks for watching.